Oh!
Enemy in sight.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, Daddy. Oh, yun mga tubig. Oh my God, oh my God. No, not there. Ah! Where are you shooting at?
Sniper down. Taking the lead.
Oh! So we're playing that games, huh?
UAV online.
Don't mess with me, man. Oh! Easy. Okay, here. Okay. Oh. Oh. Definitely.
Targets in sight. Sniper eliminated. Contact with enemy.
Teka, hindi ko nakita yun, ah.
Targets in
Teka lang.
sight.
Ay! Nakita ko na eh. Hindi ko na na-pull up eh. Rush tayo, rush. Gagi. Rush up. Ay!
UAV online.
Woo!
Down.
Min. Up! Sige. Ay! Aha! Bad time talaga. Eh, bakit ko...
Enemy in
Gagi.
sight.
Ay! Ay! At meron na patay. Ay. Oh. Okay, I need someone to step on the... Step mine! Gagi. So you can get me, huh? Hide, just hide, just hide.
Contact with enemy.
Gagi. Oh!
Enemy in sight. Target down. Winning this one. Hunter killer drone deployed. I'm hurt. Get down, sniper. Sniper Predator missile on standby. Friendly Predator missile inbound.
Take a trick me, boy, huh?
Changing mag. Cover me. Enemy contact.
Ha! Miss! Ah, baba. Gagawa mo. Oh. Kaya mo yan, di ba?
Tango down.
Ha, GG. Easy. Hey, damn, I'm good. Nahilo ako. Bakit kasi meron akong, adaptive. Ito ba? Adaptive, ano ba to? Ay, naku, guys. Naku, guys. Dapat na ako. Texas. Nahayaning serious, okay. Kaya lang guys may meron kayo makikita. Nag-charge na. Iinit na to. Gagi. Iinit na. Drop na kanina. Ang grip yan. Uy, sheesh. Ulit. Alcohol? Uy! Kakipuntasan ako. Hindi na ako. Sorry. Alam mo naman awar. Saan ko na ito ilagay? Dito. Delay. Okay. Alam ko nang gawin ka. Sure mo doon sa ating kamay ko. Akala mo hindi ko makita yan, ha? Sniper pa. Yung lagi kong ginagawa. Mamatay ako din. Gagi. Whoa! Run! I look stupid right now. Just a bit. Just a big. Oh! You killed my dude. Fake a cake. What? Akala ko napatay ko.
Contact with enemy.
Ano yun? Papatay nyo.
Targets in sight.
Putang na naman. Gagi.
Enemy contact.
Wait. Ano yan? Gagi. Fake a cat. Come on. Distraction.
Targets in sight. Targets in sight. Reloading. Cover me.
Come on. Distraction. Wow. Try ko nga muna to. Jesus. Bagay naman. Kaya ko na kuya dyan. Pero mas gusto ko maili na. Yee! Taga ka na din mag-mail skill lang. Ay! Tangina! Bibili kay sniper po. Kinangina mo. Nati! Hindi mo? Ano? Linalandi. Fake guy.
Targets in sight.
Stay up!
Enemy contact.
Ang kala mo, ha?
UAV online.
Hindi yan.
Friendly care package inbound.
Lu. Gagi. Oh, bago.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Wow. Kala nyo ah. Ano yan? Saan yan? Makaklas ka, boss. Takdang ng isda. Ayasonas testa. Okay. Walang yan. Alis na ako. Okay na. Saan kayo perfect na sniper area lang? Titingin ako na map. Ang pilito. Teka. Maganda to eh. Lagi ko tayo Miami Strikes. Again. Siya na maliit. Favorite mouse? Map ko to. Kill house pero Rust din. Perfecto. Tingnan niya ng bago. Ano ko ito ma-acquire? Ano pa na ako matama? Edge. Huh? Ano? Okay. Hintayin ka na lang. Uy, sana all. Uy! Uy! Ano nangyari dito? Akala ko ano na yun. No! Yes. My paborito kong skin. Ngayon, nag-iiba ako. Sorry muna, Lok. Hindi, dito na ako. Ay, no! Hindi ko ano yung useless ditong baril? Ay, hindi ko kailangan yun ako. Ito. So, pagawa tayo. Okay, pag-intate yung magandang SMG tayo. Gagawin din. Saan naman natin chopper. Pero siya mabigat eh. Ito? Pwede ba no? Sheesh. Try natin to. Muna. Lawa tayo. Lawa tayo na unlock dito eh. Ano pa tayo dito mga attachments? Wala. Gusto ko mabilisan eh. Sige. Okay na to. Pero, kita nyo naman. Sheesh. Diamond. Paborito ko talaga to. So, maganda. Dito? Ito natin to. Uy, ito na muna. Okay naman eh. Camo. Huh? Hoy! Gagi! Sheesh! Kita nyo yun! Oh, she. Teka, deal kita. Di ka. Wala ko isang ano. Fine. Salamat. Nakuha ko na. Tingnan naman, guys. Special gold. Sheesh. Uy, gusto ko to. Teka nga lang. Gaging ganda. Sheesh. Ang tagal ko nang dito. Ngayon ko na nakuha. Mga few years na ako naglalaro nito. Diyan mo, sand, lahat yan. Dragon, lahat yan. Splinter. Tiger. Uy, yung aso namin. Ito, jungle. Reptile, lahat yan. Unlock na. Po, ay, wait lang. Po? Okay. Sorry guys, hindi ko na nakat, pero na-distract na ako. 10 minutos na lang ako, kaya okay lang yan. Sorry for the wait. Okay. Tara na. Teka. Jam! Okay, asa namin tahol. Sorry. Sheesh! Okay. Hindi ko lang nakat po. Ito. Gold sticker naman. Why not? Try natin challenge. Wala akong mga ganyan. First time ko na ulit na yun unlock yan. So, try natin mga gold. So, may gold yan. Sure. Why not? Hirap dito. Wala ako masyadong gold na sticker eh. Exception. Alam ko na wala akong gold. So, naganoon ko sticker. So, hey. Sorry. Dito. Okay. We're going, sorry calisthenics, but we're actually going to do this. Okay. What in the tree? Didn't have it unlocked. Ooh. Nightfall. Okay. So just wait for a sec. Guys, if this just unlocked. Oh god. Okay, hindi ganun ganda to, pero frick. Ganda. Pero ito lang yung unlock natin eh. Kailangan natin mag-grind dito. Pero sorry muna. Reunion muna namin. Okay. Gagi, wala ako dito. Ito. Yikes. Ito yung ayaw ko eh. Pero ito yung pinakamadaming gold or close to gold. Okay, try lang natin. So ito, magaling to pag watermelon yung team natin. Ito pag all white. What the hell is this? Uy. Blue and green team. But I guess we're gonna get this. This is my thing. Okay. I want this gold one. Is there any close to gold? Check. This is actually pretty close to gold. Alright. Trip mine. Don't have any camo. Oh. Uy. Oh. ha ha ha. EMP. Storm ball. Echo grenade. It's the only thing. Psycho bomb? What the heck? Yeah, okay, let's do this. EMP thing. Next. I don't have any gold or none of this, so let me just check for other. I mean, relatively close to gold. But okay. No. I guess we don't have we have a samba. What's this? Oh no. Echo grenade. Let's try this. This is the only thing we can find. Nothing gold. Well, kind of gold. So I guess we can use this. Okay, I'm running out of options. Just anything with gold. Just look at that. There's a tiny bit of gold. So okay. So try naman natin to, no? Pero ano to? Flashlight? Gagi, ano to? Okay. Baka may camo, pero wala naman. Bobo. UAV, sorry, pero disagwan to. Stealth chopper, easy. VTOL. Gagi, ito na lang. Alam. Kinda, pero ano kaya yung fast recover? Yeah, lightweight. Okay. This one may be all white, but that's for later. So I'm running out of time for these guys. So let's start this thing. Although I got the gold skin, I'm still gonna do this. My favorite character, literally every time. Yeah. Wait. Hey, that's no. 6 something, but I guess it's okay. I hope we spawn where that tunnel is, or that bridge is, like the upper right. Okay. No time. Okay. Oh look! What's the coincidence? No, we spawned at the bottom. I'm lagging, guys. Sorry, just lagging. Oh, dang it! I missed. What now? Am I a pro or a noob?
Target's in sight.
Yeah.
Contact.
That's kind of embarrassing. Oh yeah.
Target down.
Oh yes. I like it. God! I'm not gonna do anything. Oh shit! I can't even aim. Fuck.
Get down, sniper.
It's been a while since I used to this weapon, so I'm kinda getting used to it. Literally no joke. I'm getting used to it.
Contact with enemy.
Oh! Drop! Die!
Contact with enemy. Target down.
Oh! Just using a spear. Okay. We are turning a Stelmarine. We are not using guns anymore. Oh shoot! Easy, easy.
Enemy contact.
There!
Enemy in sight.
Ugh! Hate it. Okay. Gotta find a little more.
Bring it up, squad.
How did I miss? How the heck did I miss?
Let's go. Let's go.
Thought you can trick me, huh?
Enemy in sight.
Dang it! Losing. I'm sorry, but we need these. Lagger.
Enemy down.
Lagging, bitch?
Target's in sight. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah!
Contact with enemy.
Look you.
Enemy contact.
God dang it! I hate this skin. Oh, kind of, but still kind of hate it. It's kind of too bright. Also, okay, new check. Okay, new places. Kill house, I guess. Can't hear it.
Don't let this happen again.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's this ghost. I don't know you. Gonna put down in a multi, hindi ka matarang. Sana all masaya ko pa. Hey. Oh, sa pagkakataon ng tingin sa bobo, walang pumasok. Sabi ko lang, hindi masaya sa diwan ng kalbo. It's been raining on my nail, hindi ka pa ba inalamig? Inalamig. Oh my god, is that a mystic? Shit. God dang it. How did I miss?
Target down. Enemy contact.
Goggy.
Target's in sight.
Hi.
Tango down. Let's go.
The most troll thing ever you can do is a close. Oh,
Contact with enemy.
why did I change it?
Contact with enemy.
Oh, you tried to trick me, huh?
Target.
Ah, bitch.
Enemy.
Tried to trick me? What?
Enemy contact. Target down.
No. This is the truth?
Grenade out.
Then, okay, I'm stupid. I put automatic on. Ah. Automatic. British sound. Bitch.
Let's go. Let's go.
Abba baby. Bobo.
Contact with enemy.
Sinubot. No!
Complete. Major mag.
Hindi na yun. Hit na ako sa inyo.
Contact.
Yeah! Ay.
Contact with enemy. Enemy contact.
Oh!
Friendly RCXD is in the area.
Tapo. Alam mo, oy!
Bingo down!
She's that picture na. I hate my life literally. I need to fix that. Okay, I'm cutting right now. Okay, finally back. Okay. Wait. No. Oh. Yeah, God dang it, God dang it. Star Wars! B3 Runner Bobo. Bobo naman. Let's go! Gagi, wala makita. Just shoot. Shoot. Eh. Gagi. Huh? Huh? What the frick? Okay. Dang it! No. Oh!
Enemy down! Enemy in sight! Target down!
They can kill me, huh, bitch?
Target's in sight!
What is this doorway?
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
God dang it.
Friendly
Don't
Shark
kill
RC
us.
Target down!
Take down.
Contact! Grenade out! Enemy down!
GG, well played. Let's go. Oh. Who's this body?
Contact with enemy!
Whoa. Sticky grenade. Wow. Conveniences. Oh. Whoa.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
Anyways. Yeah, I just unlocked. Oh wow. Oh wow. But if you made this far in the video, thank you very much, and please consider subscribing. It's free. It takes like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and I'm not forcing you to subscribe. If you if you like my video, just consider subscribing, please. Consider subscribing. Thank you very much if you subscribe, and if you made this far in the video, please comment hashtag Call of Duty Mobile if you made it this far. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until again, see you. Bye bye.